Hi there, my name is Ian Duncan, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can send a photo to be viewed only once on WhatsApp. I do app reviews and tutorials, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. You're trying to grow the channel, and you can also watch my other tutorials that I've put out there. So what will happen is that you can now send a photo and can only be viewed once and cannot be replayed. The same case as you can do on Instagram and on Snapchat. But one thing that you can do on this one is that you can screenshot the photo that you've been sent to, and it will send a notification to the person that you have sent to, that you have screenshotted, like in the same case as Snapchat. All you have to do is open WhatsApp, go to the person who you want to send the picture to, then click on the icon where you have your photos, select which photo you want to send. Then there's a little icon with the number 1 at the bottom. When you do that, it will send the picture and it can only be viewed once. Note that if you don't find this setting right now on your WhatsApp, just go over to your App Store or Play Store and update your app, and it will have the feature. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel and leave a like if you enjoyed. Comment a suggestion for any tutorial that you want to see, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.